Hello everyone, I've got a surprise for you which I haven't been doing for a very long time. Is wearing tights. A lot of people requested me to do this again, so I hope you like this time around this video about wearing tights. These are sheer tights, which I love so much to wear. I hope you like the way I put them on, the way I'm wearing them. Thank you very much for coming in, and please subscribe and come often to my channel and you'll be surprised. Love you!